All right. So Zam Jam says, what is the purpose of Chum Kiu?
Chum Kiu means searching the bridge. It is now everybody in their Wing Chun is going to have their own interpretation. I'm going to give you mine, okay, and how we learned it and how we teach it and how we go about dealing. Searching Chum Kiu means searching the bridge. It's about learning how to fight between from long range to mid range to build up close range. And what I mean by that is long range is out at a 45 degree of your arm. So you can bring it out that way to 45 degrees and as up to 90 from your arms. Chum Kiu teaches from 90 and in. So from 90 to in tight. So it's teaching you how to create movement at close range. For example, if someone's pressing me here, I learn how to rotate my hips and bring it outside and still create the strike to go forward. It is to develop, like I said, that close quarter fighting using the body to turn to make a distance. What you lack in space in your arms, you can't create. So how do you create? You create it through the turns on your waist. And then in the same time doing so, you have to keep the control in your arms. So, and to do that, it follows along the bridge. That's why it's called searching the bridge. It's finding that connection in the bridge and learn how to control at that point using the wrist and or the waist. And Chum Kiu is to teach for that purpose and build up to the Bill G. You know, if Chum Kiu is like calculus, Bill G is like calculus 2. You know, it's the next level. It's nothing that's so different, but it is a build up upon Chum Kiu. Chum Kiu is the basis of building your Bill G. It's the bridging of the arm, the controlling of it with the waist.